Lesson 4, Project Management Positions. In project management, there are different positions, and depending on the nature of the project, the size, there might be different positions or levels that are needed to manage different components or elements of the project. Each one of these levels will have a set of roles and responsibilities in the project. We're going to be looking at 4 specific positions: the one of the project director, project manager, project coordinator, and project assistant. The project assistant is the one who will provide support in the planning and implementation of duties related to mostly the administrative and logistic needs of the project. Is the person who will provide support to the different specific areas or units within the project. And it's the starting base for somebody who's planning to build a career in project management. The next one is known as the project coordinator. That person will have more responsibilities, but the most important will be to keep the project and all the related process running smoothly. It will provide coordination of activities, resources, equipment, and information. It doesn't have authority over people, but will have certain responsibilities to collect data from the different people who are in charge of work in the project, organizing that information and providing it to the project manager in terms of reports, in terms of where the project is going, so that the project manager can make decisions. The next one is the project manager. He's the person who's responsible and has full authority on the project. He's also accountable to the organization's senior management team or the project steering committee. And as such, he will be the one that provides information, manages the whole project team, and then provides information to the steering committee in terms of where the project is going and some of the issues and challenges. The next one is known as the project director, and usually means that this is a role where they're going to be managing maybe a project that is very large or has many components. In some cases, it is also known as the project manager, who's in charge of many projects. He will be responsible for managing such type of projects or programs over a period of time. And in that role, he will supervise many other project managers. He's not going to be in the day-to-day activity. It's like the project manager will be. His role is going to be more about the vision and mission of the organization in terms of where the program is going and where the project is achieving. He's going to be more in direct contact with key stakeholders and making sure that all those projects then are able to provide the type of benefits or achieve the goals that are being expected and the way they are being planned. All of these levels of management, they form a hierarchy. That is how people are going to be ranked based on their levels of responsibility, experience, and qualifications, from assistant to project director. They also are a good way for people to be promoted and as they start increasing their responsibilities in the project organization, and starting with operational as a project assistant, then tactical as a project coordinator or even a project manager, and strategic as a project director or as a project manager.